everyone, my name is Sarabjit Kaur Bedi and I'm pursuing my Masters of Design in User Experience and User Interface from Chitkara University. And recently I got placed in OK Credit. It is a fintech company in Bangalore, and the kind of experience and the kind of exposure that I'm gaining is phenomenal. And the stipend, it's 45,000 stipend. Like, I never imagined that an internship can offer that kind of stipend, and this opportunity was great, and I'm glad that I could land on it. Of course, I did a lot of hard work to crack the 3 rounds of interviews, and this was also made possible because of the constant efforts of the ImaginXp team, who bring these opportunities, because of the my great faculty. Like, they are very supportive. They always guide me. They have always guided all the students throughout the course, and of course because of the efforts of the university. And I always had an idea that UX and UI has a big scope in terms of great future, in terms of growth. But now I am a part of it, and I can tell that yes, it is true that yes, the scope is good, and yes, that the opportunities will be great.